Hello, welcome back to Math Time with Professor Prime, and I am your host, Professor Prime. I don't know why I said it like that, but I'm gonna keep on rolling with it. So, I have been talking about how to be a prime math student. I gave my introduction, I talked about assessing the situation, forming a plan, what to do before the test, what to do during the test, what to do after the test. And now for the epic conclusion. I don't know, it's getting late, but I'm just rolling with it. So, all in all, I think everything I said should be helpful. And the other thing to remember, and this has been an ongoing thing, and I've said it in some of those other videos as well as videos not pertaining to this subject in particular, math and writing. Knowing that when you're doing math, you are communicating. When you're writing that paper, you are making a statement. So I think all of that is crucial when you are trying to become a better math student. Knowing that you are speaking something to me, you are learning something about the language of math, you're learning the mechanics of it, you're learning how to manipulate it, how to form statements, and you want to be able to tell me a tale, or whoever your teacher is, you want to be able to tell them a tale. You want to be able to explain some concept, some idea, and you should be able to like apply that too after a certain while. So knowing how to write that math is going to be key, and thinking about it in a different light, because it's not just you; it's other people too. It's no different from you writing like an argument style essay for like an English class, let's say. But I think there's also another added benefit. If you start to think about it in those terms, like is it being a language, then you are a translator. You're going back and forth between your language and math. And with math, you're talking about things in different ways, whether it be straight up with the words or the algebra or the visuals. Either way, you are speaking that language of math, even if it doesn't feel like it. So I think all that is key when you're actually studying it. And it might not be a bad idea to, while you're taking notes, actually write out what's happening. Like if you write out like a formula, write out the steps, like actually using words. You'd be surprised what difference that makes. Being able to translate what's on that page in math to whatever language you're speaking is key, because it'll help you reduce errors like when you are doing tests, because you want to make sure you're saying something accurate. So in conclusion, I feel like if you're going into math and you're like, well, I don't know how to be a good math student, there are ways to approach that. And it's the same with studying in general. It doesn't have to be particular to math. But of course, I wanted to focus on that. So I hope this series of videos were helpful in some way, some shape, or some form to somebody. And I'll see you all in the next one. Professor Prime out.